Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk grammar. No, not the 50-minute worksheet parade kind. I'm talking about the quick pop it and drop it kind. Picture this. You're reading a sentence aloud, La chica quiere un gato. You pause for literally 10 seconds. Say, quiere. That means wants. It ends in an E because it's for he or she. Then you just move on like nothing happened. No chart, no drill, just a magical blink and you miss it grammar. Moment that actually sticks. Here's your super concrete, ready to use strategy. Write a sentence with your target structure. Say something like, El chico tiene un dragón. The boy has a dragon. Read it aloud, then casually pop up a quick comment like, tiene means he has. If it were I, it'd be tengo. Boom, done. Move on. Do it once or twice in the middle of a normal, engaging CI activity, and you've just slipped in grammar vitamin without the students tasting it. Like hiding spinach in brownies. Pro tip, pop-up grammar is especially powerful because it happens in context. It's meaning first, not form first. And the best part, no grammar spirals, no 27 question worksheets, no losing your will to live at all. Want to know how this fits into your overall CI ninja level? Take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out if you're a CI apprentice or a grammar sprinkling Jedi. Happy comprehensible input.